Namaste everybody. We are here, the Taj Mahal, East Gate entry. It's just gone 5:30 in the morning. You'll be happy to hear, I think I might be losing my voice. I've kept it off camera, but I've had a cold and a cough all week, all 9 days of the holiday. It's finally time. Excited?
Oh yes.
Let's do it. It's 20 to 6, Taj Mahal time, let's go. So hopefully you can make this out. 1,300 rupees. Ladies is, you can't see that, ladies is 1,100 rupees. 1,300. You can pay by cash. You can pay by cash or by card. There's a cash counter. Card counter's just over there. Right next to the ticket office is where you enter, which is here. That was pretty painless, wasn't it? That was really easy.
It was very easy. I was thinking like massive.
People say you're not allowed, the queue's massive, be careful, you're not allowed to fetch anything in. I have got an umbrella, I've got a selfie stick for my camera. What you screw the camera on top, you're allowed mobile phone selfie sticks. I've got 2 batteries, Pete's got 2 of my batteries. I've got my asthma inhaler, I've got my passport. So as long as you're sensible, don't be fetching in, I don't know, if you use cream and knives, and just be sensible, easy. So what time is it, Pete? We've got in, I think it's before 6, isn't it?
5:54.
Yeah, 5:54. Just to let you know, you do get asked. There were lots of tour guides waiting. When we got given our water and shoe covers was by a tour guide, so they're all there waiting if you want one. Oh, just through there, Pete. Just through there is where it's at. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm so excited, I can't wait for this. So we're nearly at the entrance, you'll be able to see the Taj Mahal soon. Oh, I'm so excited. Yesterday, when we stood there and it was raining, we was like, oh, please stop raining. And it's perfect for us. Just through there is where the Taj is at. Here we go. Oh my God. We're gonna see the Taj. I'll leave it facing forward so you can see it with me. Oh my God, look at that. So, what time is it, Pete? It is
6:05.
6:05 on the 26th of September. Wow. I'm not sure I've had better mornings than this. Oh my God. Gobsmacked. That is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Wow. That's the other side where we came in. It's stunning, isn't it, Pete? Absolutely beautiful. You think it looked nice yesterday? Jesus Christ. Wow. Do you know where Princess Diana is? Lady Diana. Can you remember she came here once and had a famous picture sat on one of them chairs over there?
Oh yeah, I remember.
You remember it? Yeah, well this is what it's famous for. If you, loads of people try and recreate the pose. I think they call it the Lady Diana chair or bench, I think it's called. And everyone tries to recreate that pose where she sat. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. It's absolutely gorgeous. I hope it comes across on camera, it's just so white. As we walk towards the Taj, I think we all know it was built as a tomb, as a memoriam to one of the kings. I think it was one of the Maharaja's wives. That's what it was built for, wasn't it, Pete? As a tomb. Yeah. Looks amazing. As I said yesterday, they have worked on the whole building. But luckily enough, we've only got 1 pillar. I know I've seen a picture of nearly all 4 pillars. Sorry, all 3. I know there's one at the back in the far, under construction. So I've seen on YouTube, if you come in here, you can get amazing views. Oh yeah, look at that. Not many people coming here. Oh wow. I bet this is a good view. What do you think, Pete? Good, innit? It's the only one I don't mind paying a lot of money for.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's about 15, 16 quid. I don't actually mind paying it to come in here.
That's the most expensive attraction in all India, I think. I don't think there's any more.
Yeah, you could be right, yeah. So, yeah, 1,300 rupees is about 15 quid, I think. So if anyone wonders about time-wise, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, so we've been in here roughly just over 1 hour, and we've just made it to nearly the back of the Taj Mahal. So it's took us an hour, because we've been taking pictures, videos, everything, you know, just looking around. So that's probably, you'll probably need 2 to 3 hours in here, plus the fact everywhere else we want to go, ain't even open yet, is it?
No,
oh no, that baby Taj is, but
yeah.
we're not off there till last. Let's walk round the back. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you will have seen we was at the side, and that is where we was. Let me just zoom in. We was down there yesterday. Stood on them.
On the boat.
Yeah, I think he might be doing the boats. Yep. Yeah, he's doing the boats. There's nobody there. That's exactly what I was on about yesterday. He just takes you out to about there. You get your snaps and he quickly comes back. But yeah, he's there today. Over there, I think, is the park where you can get views from of the Taj. We're probably heading there later, depending on the weather. It has forecast a little bit of rain later. So yeah, it's so I can't remember the name of the park, but it faces straight onto the Taj. That walk around the back has fetched us out to another fantastic area. Oh yeah. I think it's about time we headed up there, don't you, Pete?
Oh yeah. Take a look inside.
Yeah. Let's head back round then, and we're gonna go onto the actual Taj Mahal. If you come into the Taj, I can show you the best place for a photo, because from this angle where we're at, you do not get the one what's been restored in. That's where we're heading, to the platform area, just at the bottom of the dome. So when you're up the steps, look to your right, it's an amazing view. And then the place you're not allowed to film and everything is through that door there. What it looks like when you're right up close to it. Looks even bigger when you stood at the base of it. It's a huge thing. So we're going to head in there now. Obviously no photos allowed, so let's go in, Pete. You go in the front entry and you come out the back there. What do you reckon? At least he got buried with his queen after all. Because he built it for his queen, didn't he? And then obviously he must have died somewhere before it was finished.
This building is most famous than him, because nobody knows about
yeah.
Not everybody knows about it.
That's true, yeah. But yeah, he's in there with his wife. They put him in there. So it's now coming up to 8 AM. We've basically done everything in 2 hours. I think all you need is 2 to 3 hours, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
To walk around, get all your pictures. But what we're going to do now is we have bed and breakfast, and the breakfast is 7 till 10. And it is 8 o'clock, so we are heading back to the hotel to have some breakfast. Why not? Makes sense, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
We're off to Agra Fort next anyway, and that's on the way, so we might as well go have our breakfast. Fantastic, yeah. That's a good idea, well worked out that. Right, thank you very much, Taj Mahal. Something I'll never ever forget for the rest of my life. When I'm 70 years old, laid in a bed, pissing myself, I've been to the Taj Mahal, and so has this guy.
Oh yeah.
See you in a bit, everybody, when we head out to Agra Fort. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you all on YouTube very, very soon. Goodbye, everybody.